everyone, it's Cheryl, Sig the Solo Cruiser, coming to you from the Celebrity Reflection. Welcome to Tip Tuesday. Today we're talking about something that can make or break your first day on board, your embarkation day bag. If you're new to cruising, this is the bag you carry with you while you wait for your luggage to be delivered to your room. And trust me, you'll want to get this right. Now, here are the essentials that I recommend packing in your bag. Now, of course, your travel documents, your passport, your boarding pass, and any cruise line check-in documents needed. Keep them all in an easy-to-reach pocket. Number 2, medications. Any prescription or over-the-counter medications that you might need the first day. Your bags might not show up until late afternoon or the evening, so you don't want to be stuck without them. A swimsuit and cover up. Now, if you think you might want to get on board and hop in a pool or a whirlpool right away, pack your swimsuit and pack your flip-flops. It's the fastest and easiest way to get the vacation started. Number 4, electronics and chargers. Your cabin may not be ready right away, so having a charger can be a lifesaver. Any valuables, jewelry, your laptop, your camera, anything expensive you should always keep with you and never in your checked bag. Snacks and a water bottle. Airports and transfers can leave you starving, so I like to pack like a protein bar or two, in my bag. And I bring an empty water bottle that I can fill on board. A mini toiletry kit. Think lip balm, hand sanitizer, sunscreen, or even a small bottle of deodorant, so you can find a way to stay fresh before your room is even ready. A book or a Kindle, perfect for those quiet moments while you're waiting for sail away. A change of clothes or shoes. If you've traveled wearing your bulkiest shoes to save space in your luggage, well, bring a pair of flip-flops or lighter shoes and put those in your bag for comfort. And bring a change of clothes just in case your bag is delayed and you want to wear something different for dinner. Now, on most cruise lines, unless you're a high-tier loyalty member, your cabin won't be ready until about 1:30 or 2 p.m. But some lines may let you just drop your bags off, but you can't stay in your room. So for the most part, that bag that you pack, you're gonna have to carry with you until your room is ready. So be practical, but be smart. You want what you need without feeling weighed down. So what's the one thing that you can't board a cruise without in your embarkation day bag? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to compare lists. And if you're ready to book your next cruise, I'd love to help you to find the perfect sailing. My contact information is in the description box below. And don't forget to subscribe for more solo cruising tips every Tuesday. Okay, until then, happy cruising! I'm Sig the Solo Cruiser. Follow me for more solo cruising tips.